Good afternoon from Grand Family Farm. Today's a hot one. Some temporary shade for the chickens and the pigs. It is very hot. Pigs are going through water like crazy. They love the mud hole. Anyway, doing that, we're irrigating the soon-to-be pasture. Starting to fill in. The grass is. And moving a little soil around. I got to level this area here out so we can plant it. And anyway, it's come along, but the heat is really slowing me down. So that's what I got for right now. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Oh, just in time. Another pickup load of gravel. I think we'll wait till later or maybe tomorrow when it cools down to unload this one.